As we gather here today, let's begin with a moment of reflection on the principles of peace and love within our community, akin to the respect and honor shared in our royal family. It's essential to recognize that at the heart of our social contract is the notion that all men are born equal. This fundamental equality means that no person inherently has the right to command, demand, or coerce another into action. In the realm of law and society, what often appears as an order, demand, or a summons is in actuality an offer, one that each individual is at liberty to accept or decline based on their volition. This is precisely why the language of its applications, registrations, and its submissions is prevalent. Such terms imply a voluntary action that can potentially grant others power over you, but only through your consent, often given without full awareness of its implications. Now, it's important to navigate these offers with acumen. Simply ignoring them can land you in a situation termed as dishonor, which is not a favorable position, especially if the matter escalates to legal proceeding. The concept of conditional acceptance comes into play here, where you accept an offer but with your own stipulations attached, maintaining a position of honor without submitting to the presumed authority of the issuer. In civil legal disputes, it's crucial to understand that the court operates as a commercial entity. The judge's primary concern isn't necessarily about who is right or wrong, but rather who will satisfy the court's financial requirements. Thus, by conditionally accepting offers, you effectively eliminate disputes, which in turn precludes court involvement. Consider, for example, parking tickets, which is a type of notice. It's not a bill, but an indication that there's something that requires your attention. Upon receiving such a notice, one can respond by acknowledging it and requesting verification of the alleged debt, such as an itemized bill signed by an authorized party or evidence of a lawful contract. Often, the issuer cannot produce these documents, effectively nullifying the claim. There's also a notion, albeit a controversial one, that final notice of marked receipts can be endorsed with accepted for value in the return, which supposedly settles the matter by drawing from a strawman account, a concept that is steeped in a particular interpretation of law and finance that diverges from mainstream legal practices. While these concepts are intriguing and may provoke thought about the nature of consent, authority, and legal interactions, I must emphasize the importance of approaching such ideas with critical thinking and a firm understanding of the law. It's essential to be well informed and seek legal advice when navigating these matters, as misinterpretation or misuse of legal processes can lead to unintended and often severe consequences. As we begin to dig deeper into these topics throughout our course, we'll critically examine the legal frameworks that govern our society and the ways in which individuals can assert their rights within these structures. For now, let's proceed with today's message, keeping in mind the delicate balance between individual sovereignty and societal order.